Hello there, everybody. My name is Mike Campbell, and we're going to do another lesson of the Hakka. Okay, so I believe that the last lesson I did was lesson 4. It's been a while since I've made a video, so welcome back, and hope to get a few more of these uploaded here. So let's go ahead and do lesson 5. Lesson 5, I'm going to introduce you to some new place names. Okay, remember that the Hakka that we're doing in these videos, in these video lessons, is the Hakka spoken in Miaoli County of Taiwan. It's not the Hakka of Malaysia or Thailand or of mainland China. It's not even the Hakka of southern Taiwan. It's the Hakka of Miaoli County, Taiwan, in northern Taiwan. Okay? Now there's two different kinds of Hakka spoken in northern Taiwan. So my informant is somebody who comes from the town of Tofen in Miaoli County. So this is the pronunciation that I'm using. It's also the standard pronunciation that's used in the public what do you call it, transportation system in Taiwan. So that is the pronunciation that I decided that I would learn in my process of learning Hakka. Okay, so let me explain what I just said in Chinese. 我现在介绍的这个客家的课程，我是应用这个苗栗的口音。我访问的人就是访问的人他是从头份来的，所以我就是用这个口音当做一个标准。OK， 因为我为什么要选择这个地方？因为苗栗这个四线腔就是在台北的捷运或者说政府它所用的广播都是用这个腔调为主。Okay, so that's what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and do a lesson 5 now. 这是第5堂课。Okay, we're going to do the first vocabulary word is Texas. 碲族 Canada. 加拿大 Okay, so notice that when these words are translated into other languages that are spoken around China, they're just borrowing the characters, and those characters take on new pronunciations. So, you know, in Mandarin it's 加拿大, but in that 加 probably sounds strange to a lot of people, why they would use the ka sound as a 加, but if you go back to the Hakka, then it becomes a ga sound, just like very similar to the English. But then the last syllable changes, so it's, you know, there's a little bit of strange things that happen here and there when you switch between languages. So, ga na tai. Okay, Hong Kong is pronounced Hyong Kong. Okay, if you want to ask somebody a question, you can say, excuse me, Chang Mun, family, Vu Kang Ning. Taipei is pronounced Toi Bet. Taiwan is pronounced Toi Van. Also, or to, is pronounced Mei. Okay, now let's go ahead and make some sentences. Where is your family from? Vu Kang Ning. Okay, so here we want to say Vu Kang Ning. Actually, this is not the right sentence that I'm using here. What I want to say is, where is your family? Not where's your family from. Okay, where's your family at? Actually, you can also, it also has the same meaning as where's your family. Where's your family from? So, Vu Kang Ning, Di Nai Vi. Vu Kang Ning, Di Nai Vi. Okay, the next one is, she is from Texas too. Gi Mei He De Zu Ni. Di Mei He De Zu Ni. So in this pronunciation, in this sentence, we're actually saying she's also a Texas person. Okay? So you can go back to the previous lesson to get some practice, more of that kind of practice. Okay, the next sentence. And his wife? What about his wife? Gia Bun Yong Ne. Gia Bun Yong Ne. Okay, in the next sentence, excuse me, may I ask a question? Say, Chiang Mun. Next sentence, is Hong Kong here? You know, like if you're pointing at a map, 你是指地图上可以说香港地俩黑某. Okay, so at the end of the sentence we're saying 黑某, isn't it or is it not? 香港地俩黑某. 香港地俩黑某. Okay, where's your husband? 你姓三地奈. nhà xỉn sang đi nai. And where is Taipei? Taipei. I'm sorry, let's see, I didn't translate that one, but we can go ahead and put it in here. Okay. Changmun, Taipei, đi nai vi. Changmun, Taipei, đi nai vi. Okay, and then we can answer by saying Taipei is in Taiwan. Taipei, đi Taiwan. Taipei, đi Taiwan. Okay, so notice that a lot of those tones have a very low sound. Taiwan. Okay, but when we say, in Mandarin we say Taipei, bei has a low tone, but this is actually one of those words that has a final PTK on it. So PTK ending words, they either have a very high tone, like, let's see if I can think of one, like tok means to study, tok, okay, that's a high tone ending in a K, and bei is a falling tone ending in a T, so we're going to say bei, okay, toi, bei. So there's two kind of ways to pronounce that. It's the same tone that we use for country, gui, okay, nai gui, ni nai gui ni, okay, what country? All right, so let's go ahead and do the conversation here. Excuse me, where is your family? Changmun, vu kangin di nai vi. Changmun, vu kangin di nai vi. Okay, my family's in Texas. Nga vu kangin di det zu. Nga vu kangin di det zu. Excuse me, where is your wife? Changmun. Okay, Changmun ya bun yong ne. Changmun ya bun yong ne. Okay, she's in Hong Kong. Okay, actually we're saying his wife, and we're answering by saying his wife is in Hong Kong, the full sentence. Ya bun yong di Hong Kong. Ya bun yong di Hong Kong. Okay, where is her husband? Ya xin sang di nai. Ya xin sang di nai. Okay, and her husband is in Canada. Ya xin sang mei di also is in Canada. Say, ya xin sang mei di ga na tai. Ya xin sang mei di ga na tai. Excuse me, where is Taipei? Tianmun, Taipei di nai. Tianmun, Taipei di nai. Taipei is in Taiwan. Taipei di Taiwan. Taipei di Taiwan. Taiwan. Okay, in the last lesson, I believe that I taught you some of the place names around Taiwan, right? Okay, so that's the, we have two more here. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit confused here. Okay, next one. Is your family in Texas? Okay, so we're going to add the question word at the end, saying mo. Okay, nhà vụ kháng nghị đi đẹp chú mo. Nhà vụ kháng nghị đi đẹp chú mo. Yes, they're in Texas. Or actually, we're answering by saying correct. Correct is talk. Okay, so talk ngài vụ kháng nghị đi đẹp chú. Talk ngài vụ kháng nghị đi đẹp chú. Is this Hong Kong? Here is Hong Kong, is it? Right? Okay. Lia he Hong Kong mo. Lia he Hong Kong mo. And answer by saying no. This here is not Hong Kong. He liam he Hong Kong. He liam he Hong Kong. Okay, that's the end of lesson 5. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.